Looking to keep your golf clubs clean and performing at their best? Here are the 5 best golf club brushes every golfer should have in 2025. 1. Grooveit Brush. The Grooveit brush is famous for its water spray feature and tough bristles, making it perfect for deep cleaning grooves during your game. 2. Champkey Pro Brush. This brush is compact and retractable with both wire and nylon bristles for versatile cleaning. Its ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to use. 3. Callaway Golf Brush. From a trusted golf brand, this Callaway brush offers durable bristles and a built-in groove cleaner for a thorough clean every time. 4. Masters Golf Brush. A multifunctional tool with 3 brush heads, it's designed to handle every type of dirt and grime on your clubs and golf shoes. 5. BrushPro. This premium brush comes with replaceable bristles and a retractable cord, making it convenient and long-lasting. That wraps up our picks for the 5 best golf club brushes to keep your clubs clean and performing like new. Which one do you prefer? Drop a comment, hit like, and subscribe for more golf gear reviews.